Okay, well, the last time I was here, I remembered that you said you guys were working on multi-step story problems at school.
How we're doing on measurement day.
Now you are? Well, we're going to backtrack a little bit to some multi-step story problems, but they're not super hard.
It's probably easy, because I'm used to a lot of hard stuff.
All right.
I can do 2,333 divided by 6.
Wow.
In like 2 minutes. It's easy.
That's some cool stuff. So yeah, I have like a little warm-up problem that we'll do first to kind of get your brain working. And so this is our warm-up. Do you want me to read it, or do you want to read it? Do you want me to read it for us? It is. There's a Max in your class?
Yeah.
That's I just made it up. Do you want me to read it just over once?
And he likes tractors.
Look at that. I might just read it just so that the recording knows kind of what we're working on. So it says, and you can solve this any kind of way that makes sense to you. But Max got a new book. That is a good first step.
Cool. What did be subtraction? I hate multi-step story problems.
It's okay. I would say so. Tell me how you solved it. What did you do to solve it?
Subtraction.
Which numbers did you subtract? How did you know which ones to use?
91 minus 46. Because I knew there were 91 pages in the books, and that he read 46.
Okay. And so he's got 45 left. Do you notice anything about that? Maybe you could say, hey, congrats, you're almost
Done.
halfway.
He is halfway.
He's one more page than halfway. That's pretty cool. So that's kind of our warm-up. And I know, too, that you said that you wanted to move into, like, some algebra stuff. That's cool. So we might start getting more into that next time.
When's the next time?
I don't know yet. But for
I've got a lot
today,
of stuff to do next time.
and I will need to keep this. But this one, it looks like a lot.
It's not a lot.
It's not a lot.
I've done all this.
Be really the same, kind of. So I'll give you this one, and I'll just kind of read it over. And then if you want to, for the 6 boxes at the bottom, we're just going to pick one of them so we can read all of the options. If you want to.
Yeah.
But, so let's see. It says, a single-family colonial house has 2 bedrooms, a dining room, a living room, a kitchen, and a bathroom. All rooms of the house are rectangular, and their dimensions are given in the table below. Do you know what dimensions mean, kind of?
No.
So,
Not really.
the dimensions of your room would be however long this wall
Big
is,
and big.
and however wide it is. So the dining room is saying it's 15 feet long and 15 feet wide. And a lot of the boxes on the bottom. So let's look at,
I think I'm just gonna do this one.
yeah, you can pick just one that you want to focus on if you want. Which one are you thinking? The bottom one?
Yeah.
All right. So you work on that one, and then we will talk about it. But do you know when it says what is the area of the 2 bedrooms? Do you know how to find the area of one of them?
Yeah.
Okay.
Isn't the bottom one a living room? I
What makes you think that?
It's 20 by 18, and none of them are higher than 20.
That is, I was hoping you would notice that. I actually wrote a note. I said, did you know this prior to doing the math? Because you didn't even have to do all the math out. Let's pick one more where we do have to do a little bit of computation.
What one's that?
This one is going to be a lot. You're going to have to do all of the areas, but if you want to do, you can pick any of the other ones if you want to. I can read them all to you too, so you know your options.
2 bedrooms.
Mm-hmm.
The difference. Well, no. I'm gonna read through because I only read through 2.
Okay.
Oh wow, I gotta remember how to do the area now. It's been a year and I have loaded my brain with so much other stuff that I can hardly remember.
Here, if I give you, well, okay, let's think.
Maybe this will help me to find it.
Let's think about it like this. Which problem were you looking at?
The first one.
Area of the 2 bedrooms?
Yeah.
So let's start. Let's just find the area of bedroom 1. So,
Wouldn't that be like...
if it's 16 feet...
16 times 50?
Mm-hmm.
That is...
You can do it on the paper if you need to.
Oh man.
You can do it on paper if you
Something
want.
like 30 plus some other number that I can't remember.
You can write on that one too if you want to. Do you have a special scrap pile? Oh, there
I
you
ripped
go.
up all three of my journals,
Smart.
and then I have a whole bunch more.
Oh, this is like your little working corner. All right, so 15, or 16 times 15 you said, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's see what that comes out to.
$96.
Hmm.
Yep.
Close. So, oh, and I don't even know if I'm. Is this okay? I think we missed one step. Remember how once you get this one,
Yeah.
what's the first thing you
You gotta
do?
do 0.
Mm-hmm. So you can try again. Let's see if we get another answer.
See, I forget all that kind of stuff.
I know, I had to reteach myself last night so I could remember how to do it because I usually just boop, boop, boop,
Because I have
calculator.
to do a whole bunch of other stuff. And this is another thing I gotta fix. It doesn't turn on. But it turns on the top.
All right, 16 times 15 for bedroom 1.
There, not that that's busted. It's like...
You were really close though. Got the right first step.
0, 4, 1. 140.
Ooh.
Yeah. No, it's...
So
I'm
8.
thinking right, and I'm not just stupid today.
No, you're not. But if you look at 8 plus 6 is how many?
14.
So then what would you do?
There's a 1 right here, so that should be a 2. See? That's why I'm stupid.
You're not stupid.
Yeah.
So let's write 240 next to bedroom 1 just so we don't forget which one.
Maybe I should have just figured out the area for all of them first.
But if we're only gonna focus on the 2 bedrooms, we can just focus on those. Yeah, there you go. Mm-hmm. So now,
I know what I'm doing now.
you got it. Mm-hmm. 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 So, I guess, and I kind of, well, does that, could you tell me how you solved the problem?
All I did was multiplication, 16 times 50, got the answer. 15 times 12, got the answer, and then added 240 plus 180, and then I got 420.
And that means there's 420 square feet for which parts of the house?
The bedrooms.
Bedrooms. Okay. And does that answer make sense to you?
Yeah.
Makes sense to me.
My room's probably the size of that, and then plus Colin's room. It's probably the same thing, so.
Mm-hmm. We might, yeah. I mean, like bedroom 1 and then Colin's bedroom. It might be the same. Well, I would say that is good stuff. If you want to work on another one, if you see another one that looks like fun, you can. But we don't have to finish. She can be.
Do you think this will float?
It could.
I like Mythbusters.
I do too. Have you ever watched? Actually, hold on. Are we done? You think?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna stop the recording.